looks like it's raining.
We didn't make it.
We didn't make it, so we're gonna hold out underneath this toy box here, and hopefully the weather will subside, pass through, leave, go away, so we can continue to play out with Disney.
Alright, we're not having very much luck in the actual line waiting today, because if we would have been able to get through the line faster on the Rise of the Resistance, we would have been here before the rain started. So I don't know what's going on, and obviously they shut this down because this is the only outdoor ride and now it's storming. So it does look like it's going to pass quickly because we're in Florida and that's what happens, but it wasn't supposed to rain until 2 and it's 1:38 and it's pouring, so go weathermen.
Inside the vehicle and keep an eye on
Due
your
to
little
technical
toy.
difficulties, they've now stopped the ride.
Bienvenidos a Slinky Dog.
And I'm pretty sure I heard
Por
that.
favor, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo.
We were so close.
Y vigilen a sus pequeños. Onto your springs and coils, cause this here coaster is the wildest ride in Andy's backyard. Hang on!
Hang on.
Here we go!
We got friends in me.
Yeah, you got a friend in me.
Oh, we made it.
Oh, we did it.
After an hour and a half, we did it.
Stay seated till we come to a complete stop.
Okay, so we were gonna ride Toy Story Mania right now, but it went from a 15-minute wait to a 30-minute wait, and we're standing outside and it's starting to rain. So we're gonna try to find somewhere we can wait for a ride that's not directly in the rain, because it was storming or thundering, and that's no bueno. So maybe we can try to ride this one. I did see the Rock and Roller Coaster is temporarily closed. I don't know what's going on with the rides and why they can't operate today, but
It's been a while for them.
well, I mean, I guess, but they should have been operating the rides without people.
Yeah.
Anyhow. Typically, it doesn't matter, like for us, because we would have passes and we could just come whenever we wanted, but we can't do that. So we have one day to ride all the things we want to ride, and when they're not open, it's kind of a bummer. It's a big bummer. Alright, let's try to get out of the rain. Our Tower of Terror wait time went from 15 minutes to 45 minutes. So now we're here at Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy, which I've never even heard of, so I don't know what it is. But we're going to come and check it out because it's only 15 minutes. And Cullen lost the dead cat to the mic, so we have no idea where that's at.
Yep, the little furry thing that goes here, sometimes it's somewhere it slid off.
Alright. So the Lightning McQueen Racing Academy was not at all what we expected, but it was really cute. And if it's hot and you just want something to do, check it out.
So we kind of lucked out because now the rock and roller coaster is open.
Well, and
So we're gonna do this.
not a long line. So we're gonna see if it stays open until we're done. So that's been happening a lot. But yeah, well, we'll see.
We'll see.
Like, you can't tell how scared we are because we have masks on.
That's just the fun out of it.
That's funny. Guys, we had my grandma ride this ride a long time ago.
Oh, wow.
My dad's mom.
Yeah.
And her picture was hysterical. Gosh, I can't. Oh, remember Ryan's picture?
Yeah.
When we came on this? So funny. Anyhow, we literally walked right on the ride.
Yeah,
It
didn't
was
take 65
maybe
minutes at all.
it was maybe 10 minutes because we had to wait for a few people in front of us. So not 40, not 65 minutes, 10.
So
So I feel better. I'm glad we rode it. It terrifies me every single time, but it's so fun.
I hate that.
I know, but it was fun. It was fun. All right, so let's go back, trace our steps to Toy Story Land. We can ride Toy Story Mania if it's not a long line. Try to find, oh, it's raining. Try to find our dead cat. I feel like it might be a lost cause.
Yeah. But I want to look for it.
No, we'll look for it.
Just gonna see if
We've done everything else that I've wanted to do for today.
yeah. I think us getting rock and roller coaster and then getting that real quick.
That was a win.
Wins come in 3, so we're about to get this big win with the stick.
Hopefully.
You two people, right?
Yes!
Guys, I am tapped out. I'm tired, but I've had a great day. It's been fun.
It's 4:30.
It's 4:30. We've been here since
A little before 10.
a little bit before 10. We've been up since 7. We've had a great day. Like, we woke up, drank some Joffreys, watched the giraffes and the animals, and then we headed our way here, and then we've been on rides, all of them that Alyssa wanted to go to.
That's
Like,
true. It took a little while to get on them, but we were able to ride all the ones we wanted to, which
Yeah.
was practically all the ones that were open.
yeah, so like when push comes to shove, I had a good time today.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. We got tons of stuff to do tonight. We might go to Disney Springs, might get some ice cream. I'm not sure, but I'm hungry now. I could use some food. What about you?
I could use some food.
I could use some food. Let's go get some food, and we'll see you guys when we see you guys.
Great. But we're going to go to Lost and Found first.
So, we're gonna talk about that.
I am, because I already told you that we lost it. So we're going to head up there to see if they found it. If not, we're going to give them our address, and then they'll just ship it to us if they find it.
No luck, guys. But if you ever lose something, they'll give you this card, and then you can describe what you lost online. And once they close down the park at the end of the day, they'll go through these, and then they'll send you an email if they find it. So
There you go.
So I'm gonna buy a new one.
Great. All right. So do you want to get anything here?
Probably not
Like not a snack or anything?
popcorn, but
I mean, it's up to you, but essentially we're done then.
I think we're done.
Okay. We're done.
Unless you can think of something that you may want here. I mean, there's a parade that just started.
There's a parade. No, I'm just hungry.
Me too.
So I just kind of want to give you something. We need food. We need food. Just two, yep. Thank you.
Enjoy your flight, guys.
Well, this is a good idea.
This is a great idea. So, we've not been on the Skyliner yet, and I realize it's right here, and I also realize it's not
Welcome
going where
aboard
we
the
want to.
Disney Skyliner
Thank
at
you.
Disney's Hollywood
Trying
Studios.
to vlog.
We are on our way. Now wave goodbye to your adoring fans below. Bye.
Are you done talking? Okay, great. So we realized that this isn't going to Disney Springs or any resort that we're going to, but we thought it'd be fun to ride it and then just take the bus to Disney Springs. This is fun. It's a very nice and smooth ride.
Yeah, I didn't know it was going to move this fast.
Me either. I'm kind of...
This thing is booking. They're like, how fast can this go without it falling? 20 miles per hour. Cool.
Cool, let's do that.
Punch it.
Punch it.
Punch it. We're in cabin 309. Here's where we're
In
going to
just a
put
few
the floating
moments,
shelves.
we will be traveling over the headwaters.
So, if you remember our last vlog at Disney, at a Disney resort, we tried to get on the Skyliner right here. This is not a station. It is for swinging only.
Swinging only.
Woo!
That's where we were right there. We
That's
tried
where
to
we
end the vlog.
Right in that parking lot.
We were like, how do we get on this thing? How do we do it?
Oh, it's so sad. We actually got off the Skyliner and got on
Coming
another
in view,
one.
it's
So we could do
Disney's
this.
Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk
I need her
Villa.
to stop talking.
From
So we got off the Skyliner and I... What?
It's just funny.
Oh. Well, I wasn't even gonna say this until you started laughing, so now I gotta tell you. I'm walking on this side of Cullen, and from this side, you can't see the camera. So I thought he left the camera on the Skyliner, and I was
Fair.
like, are you kidding me?
Fair.
Are you kidding me? Anyhow, what I was going to say was, we got off the Skyliner, and I didn't really see a way to catch a bus to Disney Springs right there. So it looks like you just go and then you're in Epcot. Well, we're not going to Epcot, so we decided to walk this way. And this is where the boardwalk is, and the Swan and Dolphin,
Hey.
and a bunch of other things. So we're just gonna walk this way until we can get transportation to Disney Springs. But I'm fogging up because of my mask.
I wish we could take a boat to Disney Springs.
You can.
Oh. Let's do that.
I just don't know where.
Gotcha.
Or at least you used to be able to. I don't know if you still can, but there's boat service. I know there's boat service from, what's it called? Where did I used to work? Port Orleans. They used to have boat service to Disney Springs. Yeah, I don't know if they're still running that right now, but it was a thing. Woo! So we're back here at the Polite Pig. We ate here last night, but we had a great healthy meal and we knew that we could get another one today. So we got some salmon, which looks amazing, barbecue cauliflower, half chicken, and crispy Brussels sprouts. They each come with a jalapeno cornbread and some slaw. Oh.
I will be back.
So that's smoked, obviously. It is very good. There's like a citrus glaze on it. Obviously the skin's on it and I couldn't get it off on my first try, but very good. I've already tasted one of these. Barbecue cauliflower. Also very good. But the chicken looks good. Look at all that seasoning on it.
That makes no sense. How do they get it like this? I've always tried to perfect Brussels sprouts. I've yet to get it right.
This one looks good.
Maybe the air fryer will be able to do it.
Oh yeah. Oh. It's like candy. So good.
Oh, we at G Dolly now, guys. Shout out to Josh Holcomb. How to get a little bit of ice cream. Do you know what you're getting?
Well, yes and no. So I really like the raspberry sorbet with the dark chocolate. I don't know if I want that giant thing though. So if they can give me like a scoop of it with some dark chocolate, that would be super ideal.
Okay.
But if not, then we'll pay the
Full price.
it's like $14 or something ridiculous.
For one.
I think so.
Oh, wow.
Or $12. I don't know. It's a lot. All right, guys. I was able to get exactly what I wanted, and that makes me really happy. So I got a single scoop of raspberry sorbet with dark chocolate fudge in a waffle bowl.
I went ahead and just got the Ocean Beach Sundae because I knew what I wanted.
Yeah.
And I'm going to come back here for a while.
Yeah, I know. I didn't want to pay $13, $14 for it.
Yeah.
So I did. Well, it was One scoop was $7. So I was like, okay, but then I put it in a waffle bowl. I should have just got a regular bowl, but I didn't think that I could put it in a regular bowl for some reason. Like my brain just started, like didn't function.
You ever notice like sometimes it's like there's no rush and then all of a sudden it's a rush and you need to get your order in, or you know, you're the most hated person on the planet. That's
Right,
what
like
happens.
hurry. They also gave us some chocolate. A little baggie of chocolate. So I'm gonna put that in our to-go bag here because we didn't finish all of our chicken. But
So we have some snacks tonight.
we got some snacks.
So we're gonna head straight to the room with our ice cream.
Yeah, we're kind of tired.
I'm pooped, but I've had so much fun today.
Yeah.
So much fun.
So we are going to get our ice cream. We're gonna get on the bus, and then we're gonna go back to the room.
We've got 4 minutes left, but I just want to check in and say that I love you.
I love you.
I love you. And that concludes this loving interruption.